We were absolutely surprised by Chicago.
We arrived curious and left completely in love with the city, the people, and one experience that had been on my bucket list for most of my life. And it all started here.
Riding the Red Line toward Wrigley Field didn't feel like just taking a public transport.
It felt like the beginning of a pilgrimage.
And then suddenly, there it is, Wrigley Field.
One of the most iconic ballparks in the world.
We are at the friendly confines of Wrigley Field.
Home of the one and only Chicago Cubs.
Before heading inside, we took a full lap around the stadium.
Seeing statues of Cubs legends like Harry Carey, Billy Williams, Ron Santo, and of course Mr. Cub himself, Ernie Banks, it really hits you how much this team means to the city.
Walking into Wrigley Field for the first time was surreal.
The energy, the excitement, the anticipation. Everyone here loves the Cubs, and they love being here.
Going to Wrigley Field and seeing a Cubs game has been on my bucket list since before I even really knew what a bucket list was.
We had general admission tickets, which meant no assigned seats, and honestly, it was just perfect for us.
It gave us the freedom to explore every corner of the ballpark, watching the game from different angles and just soaking in the atmosphere.
And then came the moments you only ever see on TV. Joining in for YMCA.
And singing Take Me Out to the Ballgame with thousands of Cubs fans.
On one, on two, on three. Take me out to the ball game. Take me out to the crowd. Buy me some peanuts and cracker jacks. I don't care if I ever get back Forest Root. Root for the party. If they don't win, it's a shame. For it's 1, 2, 3 strikes, you're out at the old ball game. My great Sean Nelson, we love you.
Unfortunately, the Cubs didn't win that day, but honestly, it didn't matter.
This was one of those holy grail sports experiences, and we savored every single moment.
When in Chicago, you have to try the deep dish pizza. We're here at Giordano's and gonna try our first deep dish.
We couldn't come to Chicago without trying deep dish pizza.
And we took this job very seriously.
We're vegetarians, so we went with a classic cheese. And wow,
So cheesy, so filling, so good.
we instantly understood the hype.
This is fantastic. The cheese is really great. The crust is nice and thick, and the sauce tastes perfect. Another deep dish that came highly recommended to us is the Art of Pizza. Let's give it a try.
This one felt local, casual, and absolutely hit the spot.
I can see why.
Next was Pequod's.
A true Chicago institution and a must-have if you're in the city.
I forgot everything I wanted to say because, I mean, look at this pizza.
So of course, the big question, which one was our favorite?
Honestly, we can't answer that.
The sauce from Giordano's was amazing. All three had that delicious gooey cheese.
But the crust from Pequod's was simply the best.
Seeing the city wake up was our favorite way to start the day. We made our way to the Willis Tower.
Instead of going up, we spent some time outside, just taking it all in from the garden observation deck.
The Willis Tower is over 1,450 feet tall, or 527 meters.
That's pretty high. And it was the tallest building in the whole world until 1998.
Later, we walked down State Street.
Downtown Chicago has a timeless energy, busy, beautiful, and full of character. We absolutely loved walking along the Chicago Riverwalk.
Crossing the bridges, watching the boats go by, and taking in the skyline. This really felt like the heart of Chicago.
It's calm, it's lively, and it's a perfect place to just stop, relax, and people watch.
I think it's the closest thing would maybe be a pepperoncini, but it's never this small. Like Anaheim, I don't know what that would be.
It's delicious.
Glad you liked it.
Thank you.
All right, give us a good review when you get bored.
Will do.
Thanks.
We saw a food stall with original Chicago hot dogs, and so we went there and asked what makes the hot dog like Chicago style, and it is a sealed puppy seed bun, all beef, which we don't have. We have the veggie one, but it's the same. Mustard, no ketchup, raw onions, dill pickle, and tomato. And that's the original style Chicago hot dog.
Oh, I love it with the pickle.
Where did you have your favorite hot dog? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to check it out. Strolling around Millennium Park was another highlight of our time in Chicago.
Unfortunately, the Cloud Gate, better known as the Bean, was closed while we were there.
But the Crown Fountain made up for it. From there, we made our way toward another one of Chicago's most famous green spaces.
Grand Park, often called Chicago's front yard, is home to one of the city's most iconic landmarks, the Buckingham Fountain.
It's been featured in countless movies and TV shows, and seeing it in person was really cool.
With Chicago's skyline in the background and Lake Michigan just steps away, the location couldn't be more perfect. We could have spent all day here. We ended our time in Chicago with a slow walk along the shores of Lake Michigan.
From Navy Pier and along the Lakefront Trail. Chicago surprised us in the best possible way.
It was so clean, we felt totally safe, and the people were genuinely warm and welcoming.
And Chicago became one of our favorite cities in the world.
And we can't wait to come back. Thanks so much for watching.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe if you'd like to travel the world with us.